Hello friends, today we are going to create this awesome web page. As you can see this header section, after that there have been a content of 4 cards. After that there have been a outlet card where you can provide the links of your web page. So after that then there have been a beautiful carousel of 3 images which is equally responsive. So after this, we are going to create a simple login form in this web page, and you can store the value and link this to the PHP. Here, there have been some content of our web page at the last footer. So you have to come to your index.html. Here I have written the basic syntax. After that, link my CSS file, and after linking my CSS file, here in the body section I am creating the navigation bar, and it is straightforward that before starting you have to comment so that it will be not messing up with the other things. So here first we are going to create the navigation bar. So we have written the nav here in this dot brand, and entering, you can put your logo name or you can have the image, then you can add by the tag name image. So here unordered list of list item having anchor to nothing, and here home I have double it down. You can put the services, then after that about or contact, then after it about. So sorry, I have mistaken it. After saving it, let's preview with the live server. So here is the result. As you can see, till this HTML that we have written in our index.html. So we have linked our CSS file. So we have to write the body margin 0, padding, then afterward the padding will become 0, and font family I am taking the sans serif. You can choose accordingly, or you can import it from the Google Fonts. Font size is 20 pixel. So as you can see, the font size has been increased in our web page. In the nav bar, I am going to background. Here you can choose any background. So I am currently choosing the light background so that it will be able how from where our navigation bar has started. So here putting the width 100% high. After it, I want to give the position absolute, top 0 and left 0, so that at the top left corner. Here after that I am giving the height of 70 pixel. After saving, as you can see, the width has been decreased and the list item has been overflow from the navigation bar. For that, in the brand section, you have to like this video if this content is somewhat important to you, as I have done. Here in this dot brand, line height, sorry, I have mistaken. Line height is 70 pixels, so that our content, which is logo name, has been appeared to the bottom. And we all know that a line height act as the simple height without any padding or any margin. So here in this I have this logo name, or you can put this into the anchor tag also. And after saving it, as you can see, this also has been become the link also. So we have to also style this. Here in this you can put the text decoration none, so that the underline will be not visible. Font size I want 30 pixel, so that it will be large enough that it will be visible. And here the font weight is 400. You can change it according to your choice. Here I have put in the text transformation is capitalize each word, means the capital words from starting. Font color I want to give is simple gray, that is #33. You can put it according to you. And here I am giving float left. After saving it, here in the UL I am giving the float right, so that all the list item will be at the right side. Here display flags all will be aligned at a single row. As you can see that they have been aligned in a single row. Line height of, you can give, or depends, I have given 1.5. so here in the ULLI list item is none, and there have been no dots here. After that we are going to style the ULLI and anchor tag. Here in this I want to give the margin from right is 30 pixel. So as you can see, there have been a difference between the anchor tags. So after that, here in the UL, as you can see, our margin from left is 10 percentile. After saving it, there have been no changes here. Now we have to change it to right. Sorry, I have mistaken it in the earlier. From the right side, and here you can put it 7.5 so that it will be look nice according to the web page that you are designing. Here in this I am given the text decoration is none so that the underline has been gone. Here I have put in the text decoration hack transform is capitalized this word. So as you can see the preview, now here I am putting the color that is hash 33 and it has been light gray. After that, here in this I am giving a transform, or not transform, I am giving a transition of 0.5 second, and after this we are going to create the large effect as you have seen earlier. Here when I hover the UL means the unordered list, the opacity will become 0.5 or 0.2. I want it lighter, so I have put in it 0.2, and here filter is 2 pixel. So double it down, here cut this hover part and cut this part. Here after the li give a hover. When I hover the list item, then the opacity will become 1 and blur will become 0. So after saving, as you can see the preview, when I hover the list item, only there have been a focus at the active element. Here I am giving a transition of transform of scale 1. I want the active element that I have selected will become large, so I have put in the scale. Here 1 is the normal, so 1.5 or 1.3 will become large. As you can see, when I hover, then there have been an increment. After this I am giving a transition so that there have been a smooth effect when I hover this list item. So as you can see, when I hover, then there have been a smooth hover effect. Now this is the complete navigation bar that we wanted in our web page. Here I have given the transparent. As you can see the result that we have created till now, and here there was a logo name. After that I want to create my content, or you can say section width. Section width top, base, background, or you can see that thing that you actually want in your header section or the comment that you want, then you can put it here. According to me, I have selected the comment. Here in this I want to store the header section or header content. Here I am creating a section of class 0 2, because class 1 is for navigation bar and class 2 for our section. So here in this I am selecting an image of top.jpg. I will provide the link of this tutorial in the description. Please check it out if you don't want to work, and I have provided. So as you can see, there our image has been laid out. Now I want to style this thing. So here in this section of class 01, class 01, and in this, as you can see, sorry, 01, it is not 01, it is sorry. Now after this, here in this I am giving a width of 100 percentile, and after that I am giving a position relative so that it will entirely cover the height. Here after the end you have to put the height 100 vh, means 100 viewport height. So as you can see, there have been no effect, and because of this position relative, our image has frozen the navigation bar. So put the z index -1 so that the navigation bar will be at the upper side. Here now in this I am creating I am going to style the class 01. In this, the image that we have put in at the background. Here give the position absolute, width give top 0, left 0. After that you have to give the width of 100 percentile and height of 100 percentile. So after saving it, as you can see, the background image has covered all the things, and here is our navigation menu effect. So here in this I want to change something that font size increased to 30 pixel, and after saving, as you can see, now it is too bigger. Select it to the 25 pixels so that it will be moderate. And here in this I am giving a color of white. So as you can see, there have been no change because of the black shadow. The navigation list item are not visible, so I want that to also be visible. I have put in the background white. Now here I want to increase its height to 80 pixels so that this all the things will become at the center. Here put the line height 80 pixel. After saving it, as you can see the preview, now this will look the pretty well at the my result that I have shown in the starting of our video. Here after in this image, I want to create a container where I will store all the data related to it. So here I am giving a simple heading of S2 order, means somewhat small, and here after this heading I want to give a paragraph of Lorem Lipson, means dummy, and here after it I want to give a button of value click me. So after saving it, so here it has not worked. Why it has not worked? So here in this dot section, and in this I want to select the container space dot container one, here giving the position absolute so that only about this thing the content of our web page, the content of this image will be at the center, top 50 percentile and left 50 percentile. So as you can see, after this I am giving a transform or transform of translate minus 50 percentile and minus 20 percentile. So after saving it, as you can see this preview, and here after this I want to create the text align center so that all the content of our web page will be at the center. Here I am again selecting it. Now in this heading section I want to increase the font size to 40 pixel. 40 to 45 pixel you can choose according to your desktop height. Sorry for that. Here text transform is uppercase so that all the sentence will be at the capital, but it do not look like, so put the text transform, capitalize each word, and color will become gray, light gray, as you can see the preview. Now we are going to align this paragraph. Now let's turn it to the 50 pixel. It will look pretty well, and here after that copy this thing and just after that paste it here, and we are going to style the paragraph. So put the color will be somewhat gray, and here in this after that you can give the letter spacing 2 pixel so that our content has been the text that we have written will be at 1 pixel gap. And here I am increasing the width that we have set to the container. Initially I have not set it, so I am giving the width 500 pixels, so it has been shrinking. So increase it value to 1000 pixel. After saving it, as you can see this thing content is looking nice, and giving it value 000 means pure black. After that I want to align the button that we have created. Color, after cutting, here I am giving the background of white. Initially it is also white, so it doesn't work. After that I am giving the padding of 20 pixel, so as you can see it works. After that font size is 20 pixel and its font size also has been increment. Padding is 10 pixel so that it will look nice, and here giving font size 25 pixels so that it will be large enough to see anything that you want to say. And here I am giving outline none, nothing has been changed. Now after that I am giving the border of 2 pixel solid black. After saving it, as you can see, the border has been changed of this button. So you can transfer, you can style this button according to your choice. So I want this web page to be simple as simple, so that every beginner would be able to design this, not too much complicated. So as you can see, this button will look pretty well. And here after that, in the new tab, you have to search for Bootstrap. So here, when you have searching for Bootstrap sub, then click on the Bootstrap website. So this is responsible for making more fast web page that you want to create. If you don't know, then just copy the things that I have done. So here I am in the heading section of my HTML. I have linked my CSS. Then here it is the JS. Copy this. If you don't know the Bootstrap, so Bootstrap is a thing where is a open platform from which you can develop your web page more fast and more accurate, and without few line of code you will be able to code the things which require lot of time or lot of hours. So here I am creating a card section, or you can say the 4 card that you have seen in the starting of the video. So all the 4 card will be at this end here. If I have created the things or the container without the Bootstrap, so it have taken a lot of time. So here I am creating a container of 0 to, initially we have container 1 in the content. So here content of the header. So here in the Bootstrap, go to document doc, and here you have to select the component. Here in this there have been a card. As you can see, copy this CSS and paste it here. So paste it as much as you want, that as much time that you want the cards in your web page. So this is my 1.jpg. So this is the first card that we have created till now. Here now there have been some error that we have linked our Bootstrap before, so we have the font size and line item overlay property. So we have to give these things that our list item and the anchor tag also have been changed due to for Bootstrap. So here you can see all the content of in our header section also has been changed. So we have to change this settings another time. So here I am giving the font family of 40 pixel, so it has been too much large, so decrease it according to your choice. Here I am giving 30 pixel. Again it is too large, giving 25 pixel. So here it look moderate. So after that 25 pixel. Here when I have over, then they have been giving the 20 pixel. Here increasing the line height so that it will be able to the align at the logo name. Here increasing to the 80 pixel. It look nice, but there have been a somewhat error that when I hover the anchors, then there have been a color of blue. So here in this I am selecting the anchor tag. When I hover the anchor tag, then there have been nothing here happen. So we have to also create the UL of li. In the next thing, here I am styling the anchor tag, putting the color of black, that when I hover this list item or the anchor tag, then the color will become black, purely black, not gray, or you can choose accordingly. So list item, here I have put in the hover effect. So when I hover, the things has been changed to normal. Now this is the web page that we have created till now. Now after that we are going to start our content of 4 cards. Now before that you have to put the section class 1 of font size 20 pixel, so that there have been an increment in the header section also. And here as you can see, now we are going to style this card that we have created by using Bootstrap. Here in this dot container 01, it's 01 or width is 100% I, which is obvious. Now position is relative, so that it will take the initial width from the parents. So height will be 100 vh. There have been no change here. Now giving the, now as you can see, then there have been an error done by me of container 02. Here I am giving a display flags so that the content that we are showing in this container will be aligned. Align item is center, justify content is center, so that the card that we have created will become at the center. So after that you have to copy this thing 4 times, or as much time that you want to create here. After that I want to select the card, and here giving the margin from 2.5%. It is too much more, so decrease it to 1.5. So this is the thing that we have created. If we give a margin of 0.5 or 0.75%, after saving it, as you can see, all the card have been beautifully aligned at the center. Here I am giving the text align center, so that all the content in the card also has been at the center. So there have been two sections created, which is header section and the content. Here after that I want to create a carousel, or you can put the off cards off canvas. So as you can see, all the CSS or JS has been provided till. So we want to create this right option. So we have to copy this here in the index.html. After that we are going to create the off cards, or you can put the links of your web page, or the important things of your web page here, so it look pretty nice to the modern web page here in this. After that it was container 02, so here initially we are going to align the container 03. After that here in this, copy this thing and shift it towards the align items. Here decrease this value. Now as you can see, there have been a toggle right off canvas. Now in the new tab you have to search for best color combination or hex code. So from here, as you can see, I want this color in my web page. So here these are the shades of that color that I have selected till now. Just copy this thing, and we are going to style our container. Here after that dot container 03, and here I am giving the width 100%, height not position is relative, then top 0, left 0, and after that giving the height of 500 pixel or 50 vh. After saving, as you can see, there have been an increment in the height. So putting the background color that we have copied and pasted here. So as you can see, but the toggle key that we have created in the off canvas has been not at the center, so we have to create it by using display flags, align item cell, align item center, justify content center, and here the toggle key has been at the center. So now as you can see, this is the web page that we have created till now. After in this index.html, you can change the color by using the light. After saving it, so here after saving it, as you can see, toggle right off compass, and then cut this thing, and you can change the value of this button. So I have erased it, that toggle here to no more. You can put anything that you want to attract your user. Here in this, I want to give some paragraph or simple headings related or anything that you want to put in the off cards or the links. Here I have given a simple heading then paragraph. After saving it, as you can see this preview that we have created till now, and here in this you can copy it 2 to 3 times as much as that you want to put in the off cards. Here I am giving a break tag, so here this is another heading. So here is the preview. We have created simple heading and another heading, and now after that let's save it, and now this is the preview that we have created 3 paragraph. So here in this I have going to decrease the value of this or container 3 to 30 vh, and this is the web page that we have created till now. Now after that, here I am going to create the carousel that we are going to create with the help of Bootstrap. Here the carousel start here. Now after that I have committed. Now here in this put the ends, and after that here in this I want to create a simple carousel using the Bootstrap 3. So here I am going to create a container 04 because we have created a 03. Now here in this going back to the Bootstrap, here in this component, and there will be the carousel option. Let's select it, and here you have to come down, and I want this thing in my web page, so paste it here. And here in this you have to just change the source code of the images that you have in the image folder. I will provide the link, or you can say the all the things of this tutorial in the description. Here 2.jpg, and here you can put 3.jpg. So after saving it, as you can see the preview, but I want this thing having at the center. So now I'm going to select this container 4. Here in this container 4 dot container 4, and here in this I am giving the position relative. Thinking that it is right of giving the position relative at the initial. Let's say to width is 100%, not 100, it is 80, and height is also 80. Margin is 50 pixel from above and align at the center. So as you can see, this thing has been aligned at the center. Now there have been a overflow of the image. I want this thing to be hidden. Now as you can see, we have to manually decrease the width of this image. Here in this is the web page that we are going to we have created. So here in this, click on right click, and you can edit it in the paint. Here in this I want to decrease the height from the lower side, so I have chosen this much, and here there have been option of crop. Just crop it and saving it. And here in this my web page, so as you can see, this is the web page that we have created till now, and this is going on the right part that we have shown in the starting of the video. So here in this container 4, after that I want to put the login form, so we are going to again use the Bootstrap for creating the responsive login form. So these are the example of the login form that you have seen. We can create this also, this also, this also, and but in this video we are going to create this one. So we are going to copy this thing and just paste it below the container 4. So where our container 4 ends, just comment it that form start here. As you can see, I have made a tutorial how you can connect your form to the PHP. You can also prefer to that, and you can connect this form to your backend. So here I have put creating a container of 05, and after entering div of class container 5, pasted the code. After saving it, now we are going to reach our web page. So this is the result that we have till now. Here in this I am going to select the container 5, Here I am giving the width will be 80 percentile, height will be 80 percentile, 100 vh. So as you can see 100 vh is more than the real, so giving the 50 vh. After saving it, as you can see this thing, now I want give the margin will be 200 pixel and auto. After saving it, as you can see our login form here, this is the web page or that login form that we have created by using Bootstrap. If you do not have liked this video, please like this video, because every video require more effort, more than unusual effort to create this thing. So here I have removed the background, so I want the background to be white, and decreasing the height to 30 vh, or you can say you can decrease the margin from the top. Here I have given the 50 pixel or 100 pixel, so there will be a definite gap from the top. Here in this, just cut it and give it to the 125 pixel, and you can change it according to your choice. So I am shifting it towards my side. So box sizing is border box, all the things at the center. Now here after this I am giving a margin of 20 pixel. So after that, here in this I am going to create a border of 2 pixels solid black, or you can say grain borrow, so that there have been as you can see it has been aligned to the content. But I don't want, I want the border to be put at the form. So remove this thing here, remove the height also. As you can see, this is looking more better than the previous. Now here after submitting, it will align to the this web page also. So here I am giving the border of 2 pixel gray, solid gray, grain borrow, or you can see, you can select, as you can see this border has been collapsing to the content, so giving a padding of 10 pixel or 20 pixel. So here after that I am giving it 25 pixel, so that it will look pretty well than the odd ones. Here after the padding I am giving the border radius 10 pixel. After saving it, as you can see the round corners of the login form. So this is the web page that we have created till now. After that we have to create the content of our web page. So here in the back to the index.html, here after the forms end here, so I am giving a footer start here. So after that I have committed, now double it, and here ends here. So here I want to the thing that I have put in. So footer having the content that all right reserve by that company name or the logo name or anything that the brand that you are going to work. So all right reserved by my YouTube channel name. Now after that, after saving, you can put the @ so as you can see this has been at the footer. Now we are going to style this footer. Now here giving the background of light gray, shifting it towards the according to your choice. You can put it, or otherwise it is optional, you depends upon your choice. Here this thing, now here in this I want the margin to be 150 pixel. So now after that, here in this position is relative and width will be 100%, height will be 100%, 130 pixel. So height is 30 pixel or 50 pixel, increment according to your choice. I have increased it to the 50 pixel, and giving the font size will be 25 pixel, and it will be way larger. So put font size 20 pixel, and after that I am giving the text align center all the text that we have created be at the center. So this is the beautiful web page that we have created till now. Now we are going to align the color of black so that it will be Z black, not the gray one. Here in the index.html, after that you can now here put the anchors or you can put the links, but I am putting the terms without any anchor tags services, that it will look too much professional as a web page. So here, after saving it, as you can see, now this is the web page that we have created. Now here, this was the simple headings related to this. We can also style the off carousel. Now we are looking at the off carousel. While smalling it, you can increase the pixel. Now here in the off compass, right here I want that our experience, I want to put the experience on my web page in this toggle more. So as you can see, our experience and headings, we can also style this heading and the paragraph. So just selecting this off card canvas body here, just back it, now entering that. After that, here in this I want to select the headings of h2, put h2 here. In this I am giving the font size 20 pixel. So here the text has been small. Now giving the text transform is lower, not uppercase. Now after that, here in this I want to give the margin left, margin bottom will be 10 pixels so that each thing will be separated from each other. Now here in this I want some paragraph, or you can say the main content that we want to show to your user. So here content start here. After double it, here in the start put and here, and putting the paragraph as to of simple heading. After saving, as you can see in the next line, give your paragraph tag, and here lorem ipsum again, because I want dummy paragraph more in my web page. So after saving, as you can see, this is the dummy paragraph that is actually working on the old CSS. So just remove this first part, or you can say you can copy it, so that there have been an increment in the value of the paragraph width or length, and then just copying it and paste it here. After saving it, this is the preview that we have created till now. Now here in the style.css, I want this thing to be in a container so that it will be easy to style this thing. So container 06 till we have created 6 container. Now after that, just copy this and we are going to style our content of our web page. So here I have copied this thing. You can paste it 2 to 3 times, as much as the time that you want to show the content in your web page. Here I am again selecting the container 6 dot container 6. Here in this I am giving the width 80%, so that now giving a margin, or you can say text align, justify. After that, giving the I am giving the margin 30 pixel auto, so that they will be aligned at the center. So this is the product that we have created till now. Now here after that I am giving the font size is 25 pixel, so that they will be large enough, but they are more than unusual. So 20 pixel is enough. So here this is the thing that we have created till now. Now we are individually going to style the paragraph and the headings that we have created in the container 6. Here I am giving the container 6 of heading text align will be center, As you can see, all the things has been at the center. Display will be inline block. After saving it, they have come back to their original position. So after that, I am giving a background. You can put any background, but I want some while dark, so I am going to select purple. So after saving it, as you can see, this is not looking so much well, so putting the color white. So after giving the white, I want to give the margin from top so that there will be a separate sentence related to this, giving the padding of 10 pixel. So there have been some beautiful content that we have created. Now here in this, after that, you have to create the margin 20 pixel from top, and here left and right will be 0, so that there will be a gap between headings and paragraph. Or you can increase its value to 35 pixel and 0 0 and 0 again, 20 pixel and 0. After saving it, as you can see, you can change it according to your choice. So here in this is the web page that we have created, that we initially shown to you, and now you can change according to your own need. Here I don't want the button because button do not look nice to this web page, and this is the product that we have seen initially. There have been cursor here also, there have been form also, there have been paragraphs. So thanks for watching.